man to man. If you're dating a girl called EM, please leave her alone and move on with life. We are hearing a few. If you have never heard the love story of Moloch Quad and EM the young meringue thinking face, loudly crying face emojis.